गर्मी की शिद्दत, रोज़मर्रा की मसरूफियात। तो ऐसे में गर्मी में सर्दी का लुत्फ़ उठाने के लिए दोस्तों के संग केरन में बारबेक्यू का प्लान बना।
See it on the horizon, spray painted in black and blue. I can feel the storm winds rising. Can you feel them too? Rain pouring, the sky's falling, lightning strikes and thunder rolls. Just hold on to my hand and don't let go. Once more into the fire, once more into the burning flames, once more into the fray. But I swear we're gonna be okay. I can see it on the horizon, spray painted in black and blue. I can feel the storm winds rising. Can you feel them too? Rain pouring, the sky's falling, lightning strikes and thunder rolls. A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.